I'm going to go straight to monitoring and alerts. So in the example here that you have just optimized your listing, the listing is now live. You want to obviously see where you are organically ranking or tracking the ranking, the changes of that once you've optimized your listing. So that is where our keyword tracker tool comes to play. Our keyword tracker, you're able to rank the organic ranking of any ASIN. So it can be your ASIN or a competitor's ASIN. Very simple to do. You add an ASIN here and then press add. That's all you need to do. And it comes up like this. So if we continue on the exercise band example, these are the keywords that I'm currently tracking. So ZonGuru will give you suggestions. However, if you say you added specifically 5 keywords, you want to know what they're doing here, you can click on here and add. So you can add. So if I write tester here, tester, and then add that keyword, you're adding the tracking, and you can delete the keywords that you don't really or aren't tracking here. The tracking of the positioning here, so you have the current positioning, so current page and current position on current page, and then these are the changes. So do you move any spots, any positions, or do you move in page? This will only show up from when your ASIN was added to the tool. So it doesn't give you the historical ranking, it only gives you from today onwards.
Is this for a specific product, Veronica, here, or for all the products that are above?
No, so this is only for this ASIN, this one here.
For this, okay, for the one ASIN. So here we just place the most relevant keyword. Maybe that also we're targeting with our ads if you want to see if we're moving positions or not.
Right.
Right, or maybe generally we put all the relevant keywords just to see where are we, like what position are we, what page, and maybe competitors. We want to see how competition is doing as well in order to see, hey, like how are their positions moving, and so it's profitable.
So all of the above, for any reason why you're tracking your organic ranking, so you can put any of the keywords. So as you said, added a new PPC campaign, want to track the positioning on those. Or you've got 3 main buyer keywords that you always want to know what you're doing. You will put them in here. You can pick and choose what keywords you're adding. And as you can see here, like if I hide the eye, these are all the different ASINs that I'm tracking. So then if I want to go to, I'm looking at this yoga mat, I want to see how this yoga mat on my other ASIN is performing, I can see that here. So you can, when you add an ASIN, it does stay here. And then if it's no longer relevant, you get rid of it.
Does it get updated every 24 hours or every hour? Or do you know maybe what's the time we're looking at here maybe?
Yeah, I believe like every 24 hours, but it can vary to a few weeks. But everything is relevantly up to date.